is the brand new Xplorer Toy Hauler. After months and months and months of research and design, we finished it. It's big enough to fit 2 full-size dirt bikes. It can fit a big quad bike, anything you want to bring on your adventure, it can do it. We've got heaps of tie down points. It's even got a winch on the back as well. Your queen size tent, full awning, honestly, everything that you love about the Explorers, it's got it, but it can take 2 bikes as well. So on the website, we've got full imagery and videos and specifications. So if you want to get yours today, head to the website and send us an email.